Thank you for tuning into APC Solution. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of Windows 11. It's an free upgrade that's out there right now if you're interested to take it from Windows 10 to the next gen of Windows 11. Let's dive on in. Alright, so let's get into this. I got the download, was doing my Windows updates, and got notified that it was able to be upgraded to Windows 11. So I went ahead and pushed the button to download the install. It took about 20 minutes, and here we are with Windows 11. First and foremost, you'll see the icons look a little bit different down here. We've got our calendar. You get your notifications up here. Notifications you can actually clear, and that's its own section versus the calendar, which is kind of nice. These are now grouped together. Click on those. You have your independent volume rocker, brightness scale, all of your other fun things. Your volume control, you click here to adjust which one, but you've got the slider like you normally would. Click on the power, it'll open up the power menu, which I'll bring that over because I do have a second display up, and it's a little bit different. Kind of nice. You'll also notice that the corners have been rounded off on all of the windows, and you've got a couple different snap options. So you can do a little bit off center, you can do center left right, center left with 2 corners on the right, or you could do 4 corners. So I guess technically if you wanted to do this type of deal, you could just combine these. But this is pretty nice, and if you were on a ultra wide screen, you get a couple more options as well. Let's close that down. Notifications now, because I've got a mic going, it's a little bit different color. Same thing with the notifications if you saw that earlier. Right clicking on the taskbar. It doesn't give you the whole menu like Windows 10 did. That menu has actually been shifted into the start. So if I right click on the start, and apparently it's broken. That's fantastic. So search works at the moment. You come in here, do your normal searches and all of that. The display also looks a little bit different. You can see the menu pop up again. And we're just gonna toggle this as my main display. And then we'll toggle this one back. Not sure if the screen capture is gonna catch that, but there's like a zoom in, zoom out when you make your changes there. Little aesthetic piece. Also, a major change is your icons. Your taskbar icons are sitting front and center now. This is really nice, especially on ultra wide monitors, I found, versus having everything jammed over to the far left in this corner here. This is a free upgrade for Windows 11, and that's just some first impressions. The upgrade wasn't perfect, as you can tell, considering it's still a little bit buggy. Demonstrated there. The snippet tool didn't work either at first. However, with 5008295, they fixed the snipping tool, which now works, as you can see. So fun fact, with dual displays there seems to be a little bit of a bug, because when I switch back to my primary monitor, it works. So this is what I was trying to show you earlier. And you've got a lot of nice features from this right click. You've got your apps and features menu. You can search through that for all types of stuff. Mobility center, power options, device manager, another good one, disk management, computer management in general, terminal for both regular and admin, task manager, your settings, file explorer, search, run, and a shutdown option.
And that concludes our video about Windows 11. Whether or not you should upgrade, that's ultimately up to you. But just know this, it's a free upgrade now. You don't necessarily need to take it, but Windows 10 is going to stop being supported by Microsoft in October 2025 timeframe is what's on the books as of this video being created. If you like this video, please make sure you hit that like button and get subscribed for future content. Let us know in the comments, are you going to upgrade to Windows 11? Are you going to hold out and stick to Windows 10 as long as you can? We'd like to hear back from you. And if you'd like to see anything else about Windows 11, let us know that too in the comments. And please don't forget to check out some of our other content while you're here. Have a blessed day.